This is to tell if your intake manifold has a leak or if it's cracked. For any Cadillacs, Chevys, GM, Saturn. This happens more or less on the 07s to 2010, 2011 vehicles. What you're going to end up listening for is a continuous suction or air being pulled externally through the intake after I turn it off. Turn it on for about 5 to 10 seconds, let it idle. Then once I turn it off, you're going to hear a continuous pulling motion. That pulling is the intake manifold broken. That hissing noise as well, and the rough idling goes along with it. And that is how you end up telling if your intake manifold is cracked or if it has a gasket leak. This isn't a gasket leak. We've already determined that it is a cracked manifold. You can be the lucky one that is just the intake gasket or is just a throttle body gasket. I've had that happen on multiple cars. It's an easy fix, but it is labor intensive. It is one thing that you can check it out as well as spraying carburetor cleaner or choke cleaner on it, and once it has a rough idle or once it idles up, you can end up seeing in that area where it is cracked.